The Pentland Churchill Scholarship for my Global Public Policy Leadership program has contributed in following ways. First, learning. I got an opportunity to learn about public policy in two esteemed universities, New York University and University College London, and also in two countries, United States and United Kingdom. Because of this learning and mentorship from the professors from both the universities, my public policy research of creating synergies between national digital policies of India and China got selected to be presented in a joint meeting between Indian Prime Minister's advisor and Chinese President's advisor. Because of this, I was selected to be part of policy coordination group for India-China Strategic Economic Dialogue. Further, after this meeting, I was selected to be part of consulting team for Principal Scientific Advisor of Indian Prime Minister. Second contribution in my self-belief, my selection for Pentland Churchill Scholarship boosted my belief in my ideas and work I was doing. Before this program, I was working to create synergies between Indian and Chinese policy. But after learning in this program and getting mentorship from the professors and community of both these universities, I started seeing the kind of social impact I am creating in the policies of India and China, which is around 40% of the humanity. Like I suggested to create a joint innovation initiative between India and China, which is part of both the countries. Because of this self-belief, I started my new startup called Worker Union Support. I saw around 15 painful deaths of migrant workers during COVID-19, and this was mainly because of mismanagement and miscommunication. And I realized that India doesn't have a digital database or community for workers and trade unions. So I started this startup, and I'm happy to share that we already got access to 40 million workers and top 3 trade unions in India. And because of this, we got a certification of recognition from Government of India. The third contribution from this scholarship we got is mentorship and support. The most valuable asset we got from this scholarship is direct mentorship and support from Mr. Rubin, Chairman of Pentland Group, and Mr. Geller, Chairman of International Churchill Society. These two gentlemen are always eager and available to us for supporting our initiative or work. And they have not only invested their money, they are investing their time, their resources, and their network. So in conclusion, I would say that as a Pentland Churchill scholar, I am fully aware that it's not just the resources which Mr. Rubin and Mr. Geller has shared with us, they are also sharing in responsibility to us to improve lives and create a positive social impact by these resources, and I am committed to their vision and responsibility of creating a positive impact and improving lives.